if you have got a 70 series Landcruiser with the V8 engine in it and you are in need of a Jumpstart battery, or as we call it, the get home safe battery, so you can actually have this just as a backup for your start battery in case your start battery is flat and you want to jumpstart yourself, or in case your alternator fails and you want to drive home with 2 batteries. We have made a kit for this, a wiring kit. All you need is the dual battery tray and the battery and this kit. All the wiring is in there and all the parts are in there, including the solenoid that you need, the little cable that goes into the cab where you can connect the switch to link the batteries, and the big battery cables. It's all labeled, so it's very easy to install. And you also get 2 of these connectors. We call them the 2-up Unilug connectors. So what you do is you take the terminal off, the factory terminal, and then you can connect the 2-up connector to it, and all the cables, the factory ones, go in there and your additional ones go on there as well. But you want to link the battery, so you need a solenoid. This cable, this cable, this cable and this cable, they've already got the right length so you can install everything. And if you have a look right down here, this is where the solenoid mounts. It mounts through the front body. You can just put a screw through and use one of the factory bolt holes, and then this solenoid mounts right there. The cables have already got the right size lugs on it to fit onto the batteries, and to also fit onto the Unilugs, and to also fit onto the solenoid. And the labeling will show you how everything comes together. So if you want to install a backup battery into your 70 series, all you need is the battery, the tray, and our Get Home Safe wiring kit. More details for all of this are on our website, perthpro.com.au, and the link is in the description or in the bio. Depends on where you're looking. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.